Okay, we are going to be looking at sort 42 today, and we are going to be looking at the ch sound. So last week we were looking at the j sound. So we were looking at, last week we were looking at D, G, E and G, E, and where to use that, the j, j. Now, this week we're going to be looking at the ch sound, ch. Now, there are actually two different ways we can spell that, just like there was two different ways we could spell the j sound. So we can spell the ch sound two different ways. We can spell it with TCH, or we can just leave it on its own with CH. So, how you tell the difference of which one of these to use is basically if it is a long vowel sound. So let's recap our short vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, A. That's short vowel sounds. So if it's a short vowel sound, we're going to go to this side. Okay, but we're going to look at, there's three letters that are exceptions to that. Okay, so we're going to short vowel sound. And if it's a long vowel sound, long, so remember our long vowel sound is A, E, I, O, U, then we go to our, just the CH. So it's almost like if the vowel is long, it doesn't need the long, like that's three letters, that's longer. It's like if it's the short vowel sound, it needs more at the end, and if it's long already, we just put the shorter one on the end. I don't know if that helps you remember. So let's have a word like beach. Okay, so we go B, E, ch. So which one is that, short or long? E. E is long. That means we use the ch. Let's test it out. So we've got B, E, ch. Good, because hopefully you'll see that looks wrong. Beach. So a lot of these words you'll just sort of know it looks wrong, but it's good to know the rule, that there's actually a very systematic rule behind why those words look wrong, because you have actually been exposed to these words for many years and you have probably on a subconscious level know the rule. So, beach. Let's take a word like match. Oh, that was a great match on the weekend. M-a-ch. Okay, that's the a, that's a short vowel. So that means we write it on this side. M-a-ch. M-a-ch. This one was B-e-ch. Okay? So that's sort of the first teaching point, is basically short vowel we go to the longer ending and the long vowel we go to the short ending. What I want to teach is there's actually three letters that if it does make the short vowel, if it has these three letters, then we don't add the TCH onto the three letters. So I'll show you what I mean by that. So the three letters are, how should I write this on the board? I might do it here. So R-L-N. Well, we can have it the third way, I suppose, but it's this side because it's sort of an extension of this, because it's the short vowel sound. We either go to TCH or we'll do a little, we could go R-C-H, L-C-H, or N-C-H. So if it's the word lunch, for example, so let's have a look at the word lunch. L-a-n-ch, lunch. It's a short vowel, so you come down this way. It's not a long vowel, we don't use CH. We go this way, but lun, we don't then do TCH. Do you see that? We actually go, this is already NCH, so we just use the shorter sound because it's already got the consonant there, even though it's a short vowel sound. So lunch, mulch, mole, so that's an L, and what's got an R? Torch. Torch. Okay, so these three letters, R-L-N, just like it was last week, we did R-L-N. So we're going to have three categories of words. We're going to have long vowel sounds that we just use the CH. We're going to have short vowel sounds that use the TCH, and short vowel sounds that use these three letters with the CH. Okay, so we have 3 categories to our word sort. Okay, so let's get our word sort down. And we've got a few oddballs as well. Okay, so we have got T, C, H. We have got CH. And we've got RCH, LCH, and NCH. Okay, so we've got words like catch, short vowel. These are all our short vowel sounds. Which, like a baddie in the story, which. Pitch, that can be the angle that your roof is on, or it can be pitch a ball at someone. Sketch, sketch. So we see all these short vowels are followed by a, so we know we use TCH. I, TCH, I, TCH, TCH. Get the idea. We've got fetch, it's a short vowel, so I do it their way. Match, I've got hutch, and I've got switch. So pretty much, if it's a short vowel sound, that's pretty easy because you just come straight to using your TCH. So if you hear a word that got the ch sound at the end, and it's a short vowel sound, you're pretty safe bet to just go straight to using your TCH. Okay, we've now got our long vowel sounds. We've got beach, we've already done that one. B-E, so we just use CH. We've got poach, as in that's poaching animals, or you can poach a fish. It's a way of cooking. You poach something in water, poach an egg. P-O, long vowel. Ch. Screech, can be like a noise, or a car screeches out of the driveway. E, long vowel, so we just use ch. Coach, I love my football coach. It's also the name of a big bus. We've got beach, reach, same as beach. Reach, and we've got speech. You gave a great speech at the SRC event. Okay, speech. So now we've got some words that we might think when we first listen to it, oh, short vowel, TCH, but actually we'll look at why they're a little bit different. So we've already looked at the word lunch, so that's lunch. Even that short vowel, it's the NCH. We've got another word, crunch, same. Crunch. We've got a word, how about bench? Go and sit on the bench outside. You go, short vowel. We can't have ben, ch, can we? It just looks wrong. So this is quite helpful because I think when you get these types of words wrong at this side, it's more often that the T gets left out than the T gets put in the wrong spot. Because when the T is in the wrong spot, it looks wrong, but often it gets left out. So if you focus on these words, I think you should be pretty safe getting these ones right. Okay, so we've got lunch, crunch, we've got torch, RCH, we've got porch, like the front porch. We usually say veranda. In America, I think they say porch. Crunch, torch, branch, branch of the tree. And we've got mulch, put mulch in the garden. That's LCH. And bench. Oh, I forgot bench. I'll squeeze bench in here. Bench, NCH. Okay, so that's pretty much our word sort done. We've got 3 oddballs. Oddball. We've got which. So which. That is a short vowel sound with no R, L or N. So which should be here. We have got which here, but this is an alternative spelling for which doesn't have the T. And it's an unusual word or a rule breaker. We've got rich. If you look at that, short vowel, no R, L or N to be seen. It should have a T, but it doesn't. So this is definitely an oddball. And much, I would like that very much. This is also a rule breaker because it follows the rule of short vowel and there's no R, L or N to be seen. So this really should have, if it was following the rule, a T in there, but it doesn't. So we've got 3 true rule breakers here. So these are words you just have to expose yourself to, and they're very common in speech, so it's not hard. Yeah, so have fun practicing these ch words, and whether or not to include T or not is really the question you're asking yourself when you're spelling these words. Okay, have fun practicing. Bye.